In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar. To make this quick and reliable, we'll start on a PC or laptop for the initial setup. Open Google Chrome and head to the Outlook website, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and click the calendar icon to switch from your inbox to your Outlook calendar view. This ensures we're working with your actual calendar, not your email. At the top right, click the Settings gear. From the menu that appears, choose Calendar Settings. Scroll down until you find the Shared Calendars section. Under Publish a Calendar, pick the calendar you want to share from the drop-down. If you have more than one, make sure you choose the one that contains the events you want to see in Google. For permissions, select Can View All Details. This setting lets Google pull full event information, like titles, times, locations, and descriptions, without granting editing access. Now click Publish. Outlook will generate two links for you, one HTML link and one ICS link. The HTML link is just for viewing in a browser, but the ICS link is a live calendar feed that other apps can subscribe to. That's the one we need. Copy the ICS link carefully so you get the entire URL. Treat this link as private because anyone with it can view your calendar details. Next, open the Google Calendar website and sign in if you're not already. On the left side, under Other Calendars, click the plus icon and choose from URL. In the field that appears, paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook, then click Add Calendar. Give it a moment to process. After a short wait, your Outlook events will appear in Google Calendar on the web as a separate calendar, typically listed under Other Calendars. You'll be able to toggle its visibility on and off without affecting your original Outlook data. A couple of helpful notes as you wrap up. This is a one-way subscription from Outlook to Google. That means you should continue editing those events in Outlook. Changes will automatically flow to Google. Syncing isn't instantaneous. Updates can take several minutes to a few hours to refresh, depending on Google's schedule. So don't worry if new events don't show up right away. If you don't see anything after a while, refresh the page and double check that you used the ICS link and selected Can View All Details before publishing. Also, once added on the web, this calendar will show up in the Google Calendar app on your phone when that account is signed in. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.